have to substitute a thing that limits to do something. The first letter is C. What is the word? Constraint. Time constraints, money constraints, budget constraints, constraints of money, constraints of time. Note down. Constraints of time, money, space. The program was cancelled because of budget constraints. Note down. The program was cancelled because of money constraints. Yes, constraints. The program was cancelled because of or budget constraints. The second one, look like or be similar. Yes, right. Resemble. But note down a nuance, a slight difference. Usually we use she resembles to her sister, which is wrong. Resemble to is wrong. She closely resembles her sister, not with. Don't use any preposition there. She closely resembles her sister. Next, an allowable margin of freedom. No? Yes, leeway. How much leeway should parents give their children? Note down. How much leeway should parents give their children? The fourth one, feel angry about something. Resent. 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 She, example, resented his making all the decisions. She resented his making, note down. She resented, yes, ed form, resented his making all the decisions. Yes. Decisions. Next, the last one is arrangement to meet someone at a place or time. Yes, but it is not rendezvous. It is a French word, rendezvous. Yes. Be careful of the pronunciation. This is a French word, rendezvous. Z. Rendezvous. Rendezvous. A secret rendezvous. A secret rendezvous. Appointment. Or it may refer to the place also. This resto, example, this resto, that is restaurant, is a popular rendezvous for all. Yes. This restaurant is a popular rendezvous. Yes. Any doubt?